Hey Ron, why do you paint here? You could do it at your home, right? Hey, you forgot? Today it's World Environment Day. So, I love to do the painting in the nature.
Don't you do anything for this Environment Day?
Yes, I do. I write slogans on nature and environmental concerns. But for what? Rons, look here. CODP, Kannada Communication Center and Commission for Ecology of the Diocese of Mangalore jointly conduct slogan competition.
Yeah, but I'm so small. Can I also participate in this competition?
Yeah, sure. There are 3 categories. 1st standard to 10th standard, PUC to degree, and for general public.
But in which language?
You can prefer English or Kannada.
Are there any prizes?
Yes, there are 2 cash prizes, 5,000 and 3,000.
Today's almost over, right?
Don't worry, Rons. You have few more days. You can write 3 slogans and send them by 23rd of June. WhatsApp number 8762054756. Hurry up, friends! We write our slogans. Will you write yours?